How to fix your suppressed listings. My name is Sydney Harris with My Amazon Guy, and today I'll be telling you what you can do to fix your suppressed listings on your Seller Central account. First, go ahead and log into Seller Central. Then underneath the Inventory tab, click Manage Inventory. You'll see a suppressed listing right here that you can go ahead and click on, as long as the inventory inactive, shipping queue, etc. Go ahead and click on Suppressed. This will bring you to all of your suppressed listings and will show you the reason and the issue description for the reason why that it was suppressed. So as you can see, there's missing information from 4 months ago, and it's missing the image. I believe all of these are missing the image, but if it was something else, it would be described here for you. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and fix the issue that's arisen here. So go ahead and you can drag or click to upload an image file, or if it says fix a title or enter in a bullet point, you would go ahead and enter in that information. Then you would click this button, save, and then wait 10 to 15 minutes for Seller Central to appear. If it still hasn't been fixed within 24 hours, go ahead and file a ticket. You can go ahead to go to help. Then underneath help, click Get Support, Selling on Amazon. Describe your issue. You can file a ticket, and Amazon Seller Support will be able to help you get your listings that were suppressed active and for you to be able to start selling again on Amazon. And if you have any questions with any of this, feel free to come to myamazonguy.com, book a coaching call with us, and we're here to help you with anything related to Amazon.